A fashion brand came to us 6 months ago. Great products, strong aesthetics, loyal customer, but their Instagram had stopped growing. The first thing we did was stop guessing. We spent time understanding who was actually buying from them and what those people cared about. Then we rebuilt their content strategy around that customer and we restructured their meta ads to speak to that exact person. Within 60 days, their engagement had doubled. Their ad cost per sale dropped by almost half, and their DMs start filling up with people asking where to buy. This is what we do for fashion and D2C brands that have a great product but need a smarter system behind it. We handle the content, the ads, the social media strategy so that everything is working together, not in isolation. If you are a brand that's ready for that kind of growth, book a free strategy call through the link in our bio. We will look at your brand specifically and tell you exactly what we see.